friends! I am Polu. Today, Polu will learn vehicles with you. Wow! Look, friends! A car, a bus, a train, a plane, a boat, a bicycle, and a rocket! Yay, yay! Let's learn together, friends!
This is a car!
Can you say car?
Great job!
The car is red. Cars drive on roads. Vroom, vroom.
This
Is a bus!
big yellow bus. Buses take children to school. Can you say bus? This is a train. Train goes on tracks. Chugga, chugga, choo, choo. Trains are very long. Wow, train.
This is a plane! Planes fly in the sky! Whoosh! So high! This is a bicycle. Bicycle has 2 wheels. Ding, ding. Bicycles go slow and fast. This is a boat. Boats float on water. Splash, splash. Boats sail in oceans and rivers. Wow, boat! This is a rocket. Rockets fly to space. 3, 2, 1, blast off! Wow, space rocket! Wow, friends! Today we learned car, bus, train, plane,
Bicycle, boat, rocket. You are so smart. Which vehicle is your favorite? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye, friends. Polu loves you. Bye-bye.